In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Manychat account. The process is straightforward and we'll walk through each step to ensure you can close your account with ease. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Manychat account. Simply head over to the Manychat website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, your central hub for navigating Manychat's features. Now that you're logged in, look towards the upper right of your screen and locate the settings option. Click on it and you'll be directed to the settings page, which contains several tabs. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Manychat account, but today our focus is on permanently closing it. Next, on the settings page, find and select the General tab. This section is where you manage more core elements of your account, including basic information and primary settings. It's essential to make sure you're in the right area to proceed with account deletion. Now, as you browse through the general settings, keep an eye out for the delete option. Click it and the system will prompt you with a confirmation request. This step is crucial as Manychat wants to ensure you're certain about your decision to delete your account permanently. After all, once deleted, the action cannot be undone. When you see the confirmation request, you'll need to type delete to proceed. This added layer of verification is there to prevent accidental deletion. Make sure to type it correctly and consider taking a brief moment to reflect on this decision, ensuring there's no valuable data you could be losing. And that's the entire process. By following these steps, your Manychat account will be permanently deleted. It's relatively quick, taking only a few minutes to complete. As an additional tip, if you're not entirely sure about deleting the account or want to keep things simple, you might consider an alternative option. If you simply stop logging into Manychat, the system will automatically close your account after 90 days of inactivity. This way you have a 3-month window to change your mind while browsing other options or considering the benefits Manychat could potentially offer. Thank you for watching and following along. We hope this guide has been helpful in addressing your need to permanently delete your Manychat account. If you found this information useful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more practical guides. See you in the next one.